All right. So let us talk about the solver. And one thing that you need to understand about the solver is that the solver is an add-in in Excel. It is not automatically installed. So in case it is missing out, we have to install it. So the first thing that you have to do is to find out whether you have the solver or it is still missing. So to know whether the solver is there, what you need to do is go to the data tab, and then top right under data tab, you'll be able to see the solver, just in case the solver has been installed in your MS Excel. So this is going to be the solver. In case it is missing out, don't worry. So we have to fix that. In case it is missing out, what you need to do is go to the file, go to file, and then under file, I want you to go to the last option. Maybe the last option can be different. I'm using 2019. It can be different. It can be something like options for you. So click on options. After clicking on option, this is the interface that you're going to get. I want you to look for add-ins, because I say the solver is an add-in. So get the add-ins, and when you click on the add-ins, you're going to see the manager here for add-ins. It's the manager for add-ins here. Now there are several add-ins in Excel. We have the home add-ins. I want us to get the Excel add-ins, because solver is an Excel add-in. So you may find maybe the drop down is on something like actions or home add-ins. Try to change that to Excel add-ins. And then you click on go. Once you click on go, then you'll be able to see all the Excel add-ins, and you have to check the solver for you to install that solver. Check the solver, then okay.